Okay, ngayon naman kaugnay naman ng naging selebrasyon natin ng sining noong Pebrero, dayuhin natin ang Museo ng Sining ng GSIS at ang naganap na exhibit sa pamamagitan ng kanilang mga activities. Kaya makakasama natin dito si Leilyn Caragay sa Cultural Review.
Good morning mga boss! Ito na ang ika-4 na taon ng Instant Doodle. Alam nyo ba, ang pagdoodle ay isang paraan ng pag-express o paglabas ng inyong mga emosyon. Kaya naman, tara at silipin natin ang kanilang mga obra. Instant Doodles the 4th Bauful ay all-drawing exhibition na nagbibigay tribute sa kagandahan ng graphite at ink. Ito ay ang latest installment ng drawing exhibitions na inorganize ni PJ Martelino.
Parang pastime na noong umpisa. Tapos nag-organize siya ng a group of artists na medyo lumaki na talaga ngayon.
Sa mga artwork na ito ay makikita mo ang monochrome, creative spontaneity from accidents at impulsive strokes na lumikha ng mga ito. So XP, ano inspiration mo dito sa artwork mo na to?
Tungkol sa chess yung ginawa ko. Kung dito titingnan mo, wala yung king eh. Bali yung composition artwork ko, parang hugis corona, yun yung king. Nag-start muna ako ng parang shape ng corona, tapos nilagay ko sa baba yung mga pawn, tapos nilagay ko yung mga officers sa likod para mag-shape ng corona talaga.
Ano naman po naging inspiration nyo para sa artist nyo na to? May nakikita akong keys, tapos parang image ng tao.
The artwork itself is called acoustics. So ito, parang corner room. Kaya siya may mga susi. It's yung mga kalansing ng susi na natanggal sa keys. That creates acoustic sounds. Parang ganun.
The title of the series is Black Rhinoceros Eulogy. Basically, the black rhino is extinct. And, you know, we have so many beautiful animals here that are on the endangered list as well. The first two that came to mind were the Philippine eagle and the tamarao. Basically, this is the animals paying respect to a fallen comrade, letting them know that if we're not careful, the same thing's gonna happen to our animals. I use a lot of patterns, a lot of shapes, a lot of lines. Too much movement, no background, and just focus on the movement of the layers.
As you can see, I love rock and roll, cartoons, and tattoos. And especially punk. Madali siya i-absorb, like punk. It's fast and it's dirty.
Most of your artworks, you do it with the punk music and with this kind of concept.
Yeah, most of the time cartoony. Kasi parang if you listen to Nirvana, di ba parang basic chords lang siya. Punk, basic chords, tas mabilis.
It's a series. It's Medusa 3, 4, 5. I consider her a striking mythological creature because she's the personification of female rage. And it's something that I wanted to modernize.
This is Red Riding Hood. I wanted to do a retelling. It's basically about fear and, you know, conquering it. This wolf represents her fears. And since you can't escape your fears completely, right? Because we're only human. She tied him up. It symbolizes that you should be in control of your fears. And once you do that, you're free.
How about the snake?
The snake symbolizes liberation. I kind of took the idea from the Bible. It's not something evil, you know, but
ito puro parang hinanakit eh. Angs. Ito is mother and child. And this is celestial beings. Purely ballpen lang siya. Monochromatic, isang kulay lang siya, but actually the shades and the volume ng tura o nililikha mo, buong pa rin.
Gaano po kahirap yung paggamit ng ballpen since syempre po, bawat stroke niyan, kailangan hindi ka magkakamali kasi may nagkamali ka, ballpen hindi na pwede ma-erase.
Yun ang challenge sa ballpen. Bago bumagsak ang kamay mo o dumampi yung dulo ng ballpen mo dun sa papel mo, kailangan planado mo kung saan siya magsisimula at kung siya sa babagsak.
At ito ang kanilang advice sa mga upcoming artists.
Arawin nyo lang yung art, gawin yung bisyo yan. Seryoso. Yun lang. Saka wag lang kayo titigil.
it can't be half-hearted. You know, you have to give it your all.
So just do it and enjoy.
It's alright if you haven't figured out what you wanted to do yet because that's the fun part of the journey.
Message sa artist, practice, practice, practice. Wala nang iba. Yun lang. Humihinga ka, nabubuhay ka. Kung artist ka, mag-drawing ka, mag-drawing ka, mag-drawing ka.
Hi Toby! Tell us something about your work.
That's my painting. That's why I made it to help my dad get more money because this is his gallery and I'm helping him. I don't, and that's a print.
Can you tell Doodles, what's this one?
It is a pizza that is halved. There's a pizza, but something is missing.
Hi! What is your artwork?
It's a flying car.
Why flying car? Do you love cars?
Yup.
Invite our televiewers to come to your dad's place, the Sevio Art House.
We go to Sevio Art House every time you want to interview us.
Ayan mga boss, nakita niyo na ang kanilang mga obra. Kaya kung kayo ay interesado na bumili o makita ang kanilang mga obra, pumunta lang kayo dito sa Sevio Art House sa number 60 San Isidro Street, Barangay Capitolio, Pasig City. Ako po muli si Leilin Caragay para sa Cultural Review.